Hey guys, happy Friday. Today is May 30th. So I'm out here doing an inspection for a country club. They called me yesterday and they said that I was actually recommended by numerous neighbors, homeowners in this community. I'm here in Alpharetta, Johns Creek area. So I'm going to give you guys a little educational tip today. I'll call my buddy back. A little educational tip today. So she sent me pictures. She said, Courtney, we let the homeowners rent the clubhouse and they have scratched the floor. All right. So she sent me pictures, and when I looked at the picture, I said those don't look like scratches. From my expertise, those look more like some type of markings, some type of top coating markings in the floor. So I want to flip this around and give you guys some, because I see this all the time. Courtney, we had the movers come in, they moved furniture. Courtney, we had some appliances move, they scratched the floor. Guys, the truth is, somebody, okay, usually the homeowner or the cleaning people who clean this facility, have been putting some type of topical wax on the floors. Wax does not cure, okay? Polyurethane cures, wax does not cure. So when you drag something across your floor and you see these markings, which I'm about to show you, that's wax. All right, and it's not in the wood. It's trying to basically, when something was moved on that floor, it's basically moving the wax. So let me flip this around and show you guys. All right, so I'm out here in the Alpharetta, Johns Creek area. So this is the clubhouse. All right, so you see these marks right here. This is some of the marks she showed me. All right, that's in the top coating of the wax. And then we come around here. You see some more right here. Okay. And then especially right up in here, that's wax on the floor. See how it's creating those scratches? But those are not scratches. Those are basically just marks in the coating, okay? All of this right here, all right? It's basically trying to peel that wax off the floor. So what we have to do is come in here, and you can see, because you can just feel how rough it is right here, all right? So the thing about this now, when you have a floor, see how they moved and it dragged, that's wax on the floor, okay? All right here, okay? So what we're gonna have to do is, guys, come in here, remove all the wax. Of course, all the furniture needs to be moved out with this process. We have to do this entire area right here. Now, since this wood flows into this area, let me zoom out. All right, we'll have to do this area as well, okay? Because you don't want start and stop marks right here from the poly. But the good thing is, this area, which is the kitchen, and they have countertops, that's granite, it cuts off, it goes the opposite way. We don't have to do this area, so I'm just gonna give her a quote, and then also it turns off right here as well. So that's a good thing, we don't have to do all this. But if all this flowed in together, we would have to do all of it. So what I want to do is get her a quote, tell her that what the issue is and what we need to do to resolve this issue. So this is just a little educational tip from Courtney. Later on today, guys, have to go do a countertop for a client. She has Corian countertops. I want to clean, buff, and polish her countertops. All right, guys, see you in the next one.